Introduce highlight features or overview summary of WILIBUT 4-in-1 cordless lawn mower, weed eater, and edger combo. There are features include 4-in-1 cordless and lightweight lawn mower. This versatile tool combines a cordless lawn mowing, grass trimming, brush cutting, and edging in a device. This versatile tool allows for seamless switching between mowing, trimming, and edging modes. It replaces a collection of individual lawn tools, making it ideal for yards, gardens, driveways, and flower beds. With its space-saving design, it solves storage issues while meeting all your everyday lawn care needs as a truly practical grass cutter. LCD power display and 2 pieces 4000 mAh battery. This push weed eater with wheels features an upgraded 4000 mAh battery and fast charging technology. The stringless weed trimmer battery reaches full charge in just 3 to 4 hours and provides 30 to 50 minutes of runtime. A LCD battery level indicator on the handle lets you check the remaining power in real time while mowing, ensuring an optimized trimming experience every time. For best battery life, charge it fully before first use. Ultra-powerful brushless motor. Weed trimming is no easy job, but a cordless, battery-powered weed eater with a high-performance motor makes it much simpler. Equipped with a powerful 20,000 RPM brushless motor, this battery-operated weed whacker reduces friction and delivers 95% greater efficiency than brushed motors, offering gas-like power without the hassle of gas or cords. Adjustable head and 3 cutting heights. This shaft features a 0 to 90 degrees pivoting head and 110 to 128 cm telescopic extension for easy access to tight corners and under obstacles. The lawnmower also offers 3 adjustable wheel height settings, 1.57, 2.17, and 2.76 inch, giving you the flexibility to cut grass at your preferred length. Whether you're dealing with different grass types or seasonal changes, these easy-to-adjust settings help you maintain a healthy, well-groomed lawn all year round. 3-point ergonomic system, wheels plus D, grip plus handle. Experience effortless operation designed to eliminate fatigue. 1. The guide wheels is built for borders, sidewalks, driveways, and fence lines. Cleaner lines, less effort, and a more finished look overall. 2. The ergonomic D-grip handle ensures a secure, comfortable hold for maximum control. 3. 90 degrees pivoting handle allows you to adjust the angle while mowing, making it easy to reach corners and edges. Foldable and lightweight design. The electric weed whacker cordless, only 10 pounds, women and the elderly can also easily use it. This cordless string trimmer folds down for compact storage in garages, sheds, or closets without taking over your space. The foldable build also makes carrying and organizing easier between jobs, while helping protect the tool during storage. Safety and practical design. The battery-powered weed eaters added a safety lock button to prevent accidental start. You need to press the safety button and switch simultaneously to start the weed whacker for heavy brush. In addition, the rechargeable weed whacker cordless is equipped with a 12-inch grass guard, which effectively prevents weeds from flying. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.